Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered how you can maximize your earnings with Bloom? If you're in the game, farming and earning points, but feel like there's more you could be doing, then this video is exactly what you need. Today, we're going to walk through how to claim your Bloom points, connect your wallet, and get ready for the upcoming listing. Stick around, because I'll also share some crucial tips on making the most of your Bloom experience. But before we dive into all that, let me ask you, are you really taking full advantage of the Bloom ecosystem? It's easy to fall into the routine of just checking in, but there's so much more you can do to skyrocket your points, and I'm about to show you how. But first, if you haven't joined our Telegram channel yet, you'll find the link in the description. I regularly post puzzle solutions, updates, and all the projects we're working on. Right now, we have 4 to 5 projects launching this month, and we also have a chat channel where you can ask questions and interact. Let's start with the basics, logging in and claiming your daily reward. It might seem small, but this is your foundation. Every day, Bloom rewards you with points just for showing up. Sounds simple, right? But don't underestimate the power of consistency. Missing even one day means missing out on a key opportunity to build your point total over time. Trust me, this daily habit is crucial. Now, here's where things get more interesting. Bloom has a feature called the drop game. If you're not playing it yet, you're leaving a ton of points on the table. The drop game offers way more points in a single game than you might earn from basic farming. Just watch out for those bombs. Hit one of those, and you'll lose all points instantly. So stay sharp and make sure you're squeezing every point out of game. Next, let's talk about completing tasks. Bloom recently updated their app, making it even easier to find and finish tasks. Whether it's on-chain, social, or through the academy, every completed task pushes you closer to your goal. Here's a pro tip. If you hit a task that's too tough or doesn't interest you, skip it and move on to the next one. There's no sense in getting stuck when there's so much potential to earn in other areas. Another key to success in Bloom is farming. Now I know farming doesn't give you the biggest returns, but it's still important to claim your points every 8 hours. This passive income adds up over time, and if you're lucky enough to have referred some friends, you're earning bonuses from their farming too. It's a win-win situation, so keep those invites coming. All right, now let's move on to the technical side of things, connecting your wallet. If you haven't connected your wallet yet, this is a must. Go to the wallet section in the app, choose your preferred wallet. I recommend using an external wallet like TonKeeper, and connect. Be careful though, if you're using a Telegram wallet and something happens to your Telegram account, you could lose everything. That's why I prefer using an external wallet for extra security. Once your wallet is connected, you'll be able to see all your assets directly in the Bloom app. This is important because as Bloom grows, having quick access to your assets is key. You don't want to be scrambling when the listing happens, right? Now let's talk about how to claim your Bloom points. First, head over to the Wallet section. Once you're there, click on Points, and you'll see your Bloom points displayed. These are the points you've earned or mined so far. As you can see, he says Farming. When the airdrop is done, you will find Claim here. When you claim your points, simply go back to your wallet, and you'll notice that your Bloom points will now appear in the list of assets. That's how you'll claim your Bloom points once they go live on the market. Speaking of the listing date, let's clear up some confusion. A lot of people have been speculating that Bloom will list on September 20th. If you've been following Bloom closely, you'll know they haven't officially announced the listing date yet. My guess, according to Bloom's roadmap, the airdrop is slated to conclude by the end of Q3, which covers July through September. This means the airdrop is expected to finish this month, and any activity beyond September would push it into Q4. Keep an eye on official announcements, but plan to wrap up your participation by the 20th just to be safe. So stay patient, keep farming, and trust the process. If you haven't started farming yet, don't worry. You're not too late. I'll leave a link in the description for you to jump in and start earning Bloom points right away. Follow the tasks carefully, refer friends, and you can still rack up a ton of points before the listing. That's it for today's update. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.